So thanks. On 4th of
Kihe na Tnad Human Resources Development jaka Sorkar Pdeng shen kinsawan cha Meghalaya ban Buddien ka Pule Puthi hak jala khamtam habayade barka Common University Entrance Test yakani karai la shem hadin ka jinge kundu jang menteri rangba ka jala rengkat menteri ka Tnad Pule Puthi urakam sangma ya menteri ka Tnad Human Resources Development ka Sorkar Pdeng hadalhi hak jingkran bakila pathai khubor menteri ka Tnad urakam isangma ulay thu bakite ki he ka Sorkar India kinwan haswa ka dorbar ha parliament ban kran yabun ki issue bayade ba ka Tnad Pule Puthi.
So thanks. On 4th of July, we along with our led by Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad Sangma and with our officers, we met Union Minister Human Resource Development in Delhi, and we have discussed certain issues with regards to our state issues of our department or education department. And after listening to our issues and the problems, the Honorable Union Minister SRD is kind enough, and he is sending all his officers, top officers, to the state to discuss with our officers, to discuss with us of all the issues and to get the issues sorted out, to address the issue. And that meeting, that review meeting will be held, if I'm not wrong, it is supposed to be held before Parliament session started, before 20th of this month. So I don't know whether that could be happen or not, but it is most likely the review meeting will take place before the 20th of July. So if that, as per the schedule, but there may be change of dates here and there, but Union Minister is kind enough to send his officials, top officials of the Human Resource Development to the state to come to the ground to sit with our officials and to understand our state issue on the education. He is very, very keen enough, kind enough, and very keen to take care of our state on progress of education scenario.
What are the main
Discuss about CUT number 1, because like many of our students has been allotted center, and this year for appearing CUT exam in different stage of the country. So as after the intervention of Honorable Chief Minister, so many has been rescheduled. Of course, there are some lab out students that will also be rescheduled, and from it is we have also discussed from next CUT exam center we will be having in Shillong and in Tura and in Joy.
By when these centers for CUET will be set up?
It is before next CUT exam takes place.
What about the students who missed out on the?
Has been many subject has been rescheduled, but if I am not wrong, some still left out. I think especially from Garo department has been left out. I think the NTA will reschedule for the remaining students and the paper.
What about those students whose name have appeared in other states for during this exam?
They have been rescheduled. Many have. I think the NT has already communicated to all the students. I think they have already appeared and the rescheduled exam taken place.
All the students, they are having already they had exam, or some few of them are yet
to my understanding, I think most of them had already, but I think Garo department is yet to be rescheduled. And also I think for this reason the Union Minister is sending his official to discuss and I'm sorry this issue also.
What are the issues?